joining us now. She is very busy this morning over there in the Weather Center. Pete Mangione in as well this morning. They're tracking the latest data. What's the latest, Michelle?
Yeah, so Pete and I have been analyzing the new data that's been coming in through the overnight and this morning, and all signs still point to a big storm, one with major impacts in our area in terms of travel, the potential for power outages, and of course, a lot of snow. The blizzard warning's in effect at 7 o'clock this evening till 1 o'clock on Wednesday. The long duration event, heavy snow, strong winds will lead to poor visibility. A blizzard watch or warning is issued whenever there's a potential for a quarter-mile or less visibility due to the blowing and drifting snow for more than 3 hours. So that gives you an indication of what we're looking at during the night tonight and into and throughout the day on Tuesday. Right now, already tracking some snow off to our south and west, maybe seeing some flurries already block island. There's dry air in place, enough so that we don't expect much in the way of any accumulations through the morning and even early afternoon. But the steadier snow will start to fill in, and the timing looks to be just a little bit quicker. So by 3-4 o'clock, the steadier snow may be arriving at our coastline and then spreading inland through the evening commute, making the evening commute slow and slippery. 13 degrees in Smithfield, 16 Providence, 18 Newport and Fall River right now. We've got a high pressure to the north that's going to provide all of the cold air and help to slow this storm down. The original low pressure center is going to be transferring its energy to this new developing storm, our nor'easter, that's going to track to the south and east and almost stall out as it does. So this major nor'easter here for tomorrow will be sitting south and east of Nantucket. Perfect position to provide us with heavy snow and strong winds. Here's the latest Futurecast, and this is some updated information that's just been coming in. So at noon today, you can see where some of the steadier snow starts to move into our area. So lighter snow showers by the time the kids are heading off the bus this afternoon. We're seeing that leading edge of the more widespread steadier snow arriving at the coastline and then spreading inland. So 5 o'clock this evening, we're looking at snow falling in our area, and the roadways may become slippery and snow covered by 11 o'clock at night. Blizzard conditions, heavy snow, even the potential for some thunderstorms embedded within the snow. When it comes with temperatures this cold, it falls as snow. So you think about the torrential rainfall that you get in a thunderstorm in the summertime. Well, instead of rain, it's snow, and it piles up very quickly. 2 to 4 inches per hour we could see for the snowfall rates during the night tonight and through Tuesday, especially through the first half of the day on Tuesday. But notice even into 5:30, 6 o'clock Tuesday evening, we're still seeing snow across most of southern New England. And it will finally start to wind down by early Wednesday morning. So the morning commute is going to be fine, 15 to 20 degrees. The evening commute, we're going to give it the yellow caution light. I think it'll be a slow ride home from work if you're leaving after 5 o'clock especially. For the snowfall amounts, we're looking at 1.5 to 2 feet of snow, really widespread across the area. The highest amounts in this little area where the highest snowfall may be, this can shift a little bit depending on the exact track and where the heavier snow band's set up. But 2 to 3 feet of snow is not out of the question with this storm system. The winds going to lead to power outages, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts tonight and into Tuesday, 60 to 70 mile an hour gusts on the Cape. Major coastal flooding expected for eastern Massachusetts coastline. So in terms of the impacts, the heavy snow is just one part of it, but we also have the strong damaging winds. We're going to see impassable roadways, potential for widespread power outages, much like what we saw in the blizzard of 2013. Some communities may be without power for several days, and we'll see some school and business closures as well. Even Wednesday, I think, will be a difficult day for travel, especially through the morning hour. The snow will be winding down, but there's going to be a lot of cleanup to do. 1 o'clock in the afternoon will be drier. By 6 o'clock in the evening, clear skies, but we'll still give it a yellow caution sign for travel even through Wednesday evening. Thursday's dry. We may see a little bit of light snow with some accumulations possible by Friday into Friday night. Let's go out to JamCam traffic reporter Gina Brown for another check on the commute this morning.
Well, we're going to update you on a situation that's been causing big headaches.